Hello students, you welcome. In the last video we learnt editing of the paragraph, how to edit in English paragraph. This is the video in which we shall practice one more editing paragraph. So let us begin. Here the method of editing the paragraph is to read the para complete in one go. If you are not able to understand anything, then you should make a second reading, and if you find any of the error in the very first reading, at the same time you must underline that word. In editing, there is a word that is used wrongly in that paragraph. You have to find out that word and you have to write the correct word also that will replace the wrong word. So let us read this passage at first. Two thieves arrested yesterday. Here I do think arrest is the verb, okay. When they planned to breaking, here then another verb is there, breaking into a nearby bank. The police gets information about their planning and caught him. Unfortunately, one of them escapes just before the arrival of the police. After reading this paragraph, we have come to know that this is the passage that is described in the past. So definitely there should be the use of a past tense. When there is the mistake of verbs, we shall find out those verbs. There may be the mistake of conjunction, preposition, or any sort of a pronoun also. So let us correct the wrong words. So in the very first line, two thieves, here the thieves are in plural, arrested yesterday, because the thieves are not persons who arrest the people. So here there is the sentence in passive voice. So verb will be in past tense, but it will be were arrested. So the wrong word is arrested, and the right word will be were arrested. Were arrested will be the right answer for this line, because this sentence is in a passive voice. Okay, now the line will be two thieves were arrested yesterday when they planned to. Now if in a sentence there is the use of in one part past indefinite, in the second part there may be past continuous. So here it will be not planned, but when they were planning. So the right form of the verb will be were planning instead of planned. So planned is the wrong word, and here we shall use were planning. Now the line will be two thieves were arrested yesterday when they were planning to breaking into a nearby bank. Now there is the use of to, and after to we use always the first form of the verb instead of breaking into, or there is any of the plan to express any planning or to express any proposal, we use to plus first form of the verb. So here it will be to break into a nearby bank. So wrong word is breaking. Breaking is the wrong word, and the right word will be to break. So break will be the right verb. Okay, to break into a nearby bank. Now let us take the next line. The police gets information, because the whole of the passage is in the past tense. So here it is gets, so it will not be gets but it will got. Instead of a gets we shall use a got. So got is the right verb. The police got information about their planning and caught him. So here we see there is the use of their, there, there as a pronoun, but this is not the word that is used as a pronoun. The spelling of the pronoun there wrong here, so it will be likewise there, there is the wrong word, or spelling of the there will be THEIR. so the spelling of there will improve. Okay, about their planning and caught him. Here, him expresses a singular form. Him is used for singular person, but the thieves are two. The thieves are two in plural form. So instead of him, we shall use them. So the mistake is in the word him, and we shall use here them. Okay. Now let us take the next line. Unfortunately, one of them escapes just before. Here there is the verb escapes because all the information is given in the past tense. So instead of using present tense, we shall use here once again past tense. Instead of escapes, we shall use escaped. Escapes, wrong word, and escaped, right verb. So the line will be, unfortunately, one of them escaped just before the arrival of the police. So in this way, what did we correct in this para? Let us see once again. In very first line, verb arrested, past tense is there, but the sentence is in the passive voice, so were arrested. In second line, when they planned, past tense is there, but it will be were planning because one part of the sentence is in a past indefinite, the other part may be in past continuous. The third correction is to breaking. Instead of using breaking, we use after always the first form of the verb, so it will be to break into a nearby bank. And the next is a verb gets, the police gets. Instead of using the verb in present tense, we shall use got. The police got information about their. This is the mistake of a pronoun. Spelling will be T-H-E-I-R there. Planning and caught him. Instead, once again there is the mistake of a pronoun. Instead of using him, we shall use them. Then unfortunately one of them escapes. Then there is the mistake of a tense. We corrected it with the past indefinite. So in this way, if we shall take care of verbs, preposition, auxiliary, pronouns, conjunctions, we shall be able to score full marks in paragraph editing. Moreover, if we are able to edit the paragraph, whenever we shall write anything, it will be always correct. So take care of your health, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much. Thank you.